let's quickly make way to get our viewers our next breaking update. And like you just also mentioned, that after meeting Renuka Swami's family earlier today in Chitradurga, the BJP state president B.Y. Vijayendra has demanded a government job for Swami's wife and also said that the state government should announce an ex gratia for the family.
ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ರೇಣುಕಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾಪ 4 ತಿಂಗಳು ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ನೌಕರಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪರಿಹಾರವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಜಗಜ್ಜಾಹಿರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ತನಿಖೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒತ್ತಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣಿಯದೇನೆ ತಪ್ಪಿತಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ, ಕೊಲೆಗಡಕರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಡಿಲಾಗದೇನೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ತಪ್ಪಿತಸ್ಥರು, ಕೊಲೆಗಡಕರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Let's continue to get you more details with our colleague Deepak, who's still live with us. Deepak, it'll be fair to say that there has been a good amount of politics that also ensues in the entire case. The BJP has been up in arms right from day one, and I think that pressure somehow has also guided the investigative agencies, who otherwise possibly were quite lackadaisical in their approach right from day one.
Well, as far as Darshan's case, considering how high profile it is, everyone has been urging that the police really do an impartial job, and more importantly, make it apparent that they're being impartial as well. Transparency is key when it comes to investigations like this, because questions definitely will be asked when it's the powerful and the popular who are taken into custody, and they are the ones who are accused of major crimes. And the BJP now is really saying that as far as the family is concerned, the only way that the government can really be there for him is to ensure an impartial, fair inquiry, and also provide help in terms of a compensation and probably ex gratia for the victim's family here. And we'll really have to see. The Home Minister has said that these issues will be discussed with the Chief Minister. He hasn't really commented on the request that has come in from the BJP directly as of now, whether they will actually go ahead with it or not. He has only said that it will be looked into, so whether in the next couple of days, whether any announcement in this regard will come to the fore, that remains to be seen.
All right. For the moment, Deepak, thank you for keeping us ahead on that story. We'll continue to track that. Lot of developments coming in. And also the police continues to maintain that this is a case that they are following very, very closely.